Today I'm going to show you how to turn this stack of pavers and stack of wood into a planter. We're using pressure-treated 2x2s to create a wood frame around the 12-inch pavers. So to start, I have 4 pieces that are cut at 14 inches that are going to be the legs, and then I have 6 pieces that are cut at 12 inches that is going to tie everything together. So we're going to get started by drilling pocket holes in all of the 12-inch pieces. If you've watched any of my videos, then you know how much I love the pocket hole jig. You can use it for so many things. Once you get one, I built vanities and nightstands. Now I'm going to build a planter. So I'm just attaching it. I'm going to drill pocket holes on each end of all of the 12-inch pieces. The nice thing about a pocket hole jig is that you can hide your fasteners. So once we get this assembled, all of the holes will be on the inside of the planter and you won't even see them. Which is perfect because I'm not planning on painting it. Since the pavers are 12 inches, I'm going to mark 12 inches on my leg pieces, and that's where we will install the 2x2 base. So I'm just going to mark 12 inches on the legs so that that will be the mark where we install the base at the bottom. It's all lined up, so it's all the same, using my speed square to just mark it across all of the legs at once. Now just a little bit of glue and screws and we can assemble the base to the legs. There we go, it's nice and tight. Square. Cute. I think I used enough wood glue there. Yep. I've got 2 sides of my frame built. Now it's time to tie them together with 2 more 2x2s. I just wanted to point out that if I attach the side pieces in the same way where the pocket holes are facing inside, then I'll run out of room for my drill once I get the second screw in place. So I'm just going to turn it where the pocket holes are facing down, and that'll give me the room I need for my drill with this long drill bit. Now I'm going to add 2 more pieces in the middle that will support a paver that will be on the bottom underneath all of the potting soil. Actually, I'm gonna turn it upside down so that my pocket holes can be on the underside of the finished planter. As all the fasteners are getting tightened, you'll see that it'll square itself up. So if it's a little crooked, just wait until you're all done and it'll correct itself. All right, now I'm ready for some pavers. To get the pavers attached to the wood frame, I'm going to use construction adhesive that is specifically made to join paver masonry material to wood material. So I'm going to start with my base. Squeeze this onto the 2x2. It's very stout. Okay. And this one will really just kind of keep itself in place. The ones on the side, they're going to need a healthy serving. Okay, I'm gonna quickly drill a hole in the middle of this bottom paver with a masonry bit so that we have drainage for our plants. These pavers have a tiny little lip design on the edges, so I'm going to actually turn that to the inside so that the outside is just a straight line and it looks a little bit less like pavers glued to wood. All right, now it's time to get the plants in our fancy planter. So I don't have to fill this whole thing up with dirt. I'm gonna take some of the smaller pots, put them upside down in the bottom so it'll fill up the planter without adding weight. All right, now I have my cypress tree to plant in the middle. Get that in place. Now these can grow very large, so this is just going to be in here for a season or two. Not permanently. Let's add a little bit more dirt. And these are Dusty Millers. Y'all, how cute did this planter turn out? I love that the style of the planter suits all different kinds of flowers for all the different seasons. So right now I have some winter plants in there. I can change it out when it comes springtime and get some blooming flowers. Can't wait to see yours. Make sure you tag me. Thanks for checking in.